welcome to Heidi's home. Today is a haul for this Monday. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. In fact, I hope you all had a lovely weekend. We are getting ready for company. I'm getting ready to bake and get ready for Thanksgiving, even though my sign there says Merry Christmas. It just happens to be sitting there right now because I'm kind of in transition of things in the house, moving over from fall to Christmas, which I hope you guys are enjoying my Decorate With Me videos. So today, headed out to Wally World, the good old Walmart. It was crowded, like I cannot believe. It was Thursday. We were there at 10:30 this morning till 2 o'clock, about a quarter to 2, and they were packed. I mean, packed, like their lives depended on getting the stuff they needed. But anyways, we went, we saw, we conquered. When my dad does come to town, he may need to take me to the store to get some lettuce and a couple other things that are perishable. And I was afraid to buy them today because I was afraid that they would go bad between now and then because they are produce. But I know he will not mind just running me up there. I'll have him help me check out in the self-checkout and we'll get out of the store quickly, I hope and pray anyways. But I'm going to show you guys, I'm a little hoarse today. It is freezing cold outside and that air just blew through me. I'm sipping on a cup of tea. My hands are just frozen. I've got 2 pizzas in the oven for lunch/dinner. Because we have not ate yet today, and it is already almost 15 after 3. So we're hungry. So I'm going to show you guys really quickly what I bought. I will tell you this. There is one Christmas present that I bought that I cannot show in this haul. And what I may do eventually is, I don't know. I may pre-film it. Because it really is the cutest thing ever that I've found, and it is the perfect thing. And I can't say, and it's killing me not to be able to tell you guys. But anyhow, you ever found, like, I thought, well, I might buy this person some candy. And then I'm going down this aisle, and my eye spots this one gift, and I'm like, oh, that is perfection right there. That is them. It screams them. They love what I know they're going to love it. And so that is when you know they got the perfect Christmas present, right? So I'm going to show you guys what else I bought. So we've got some pepper jack cheese. You're going to find that there are some simple meals in here because I'm getting ready for company. I'm super busy, and I don't want to spend all this time cooking big meals before the big feast, right? So tonight I'll be taking the big turkey out of my freezer, cleaning out my fridge because it's trash night. And then we will be putting all of this in to its place in the refrigerator along with Mr. Turkey. So he is thawed in time for Thanksgiving. So here we go. I'm going to show you guys what I bought. So we got some pepper jack. I've got some spaghetti noodles. Now, I kind of thought maybe I might have spaghetti noodles, but I wasn't 100% sure, but I went ahead and bought them anyways. They never get wasted, so don't take a chance at coming home and then you don't have any, and then you stress out thinking you got to go back to the store. I don't want to go back. So we've got some mild cheddar. Another thing of mild cheddar, this stuff here is for Thanksgiving because I will be making a homemade mac and cheese as well as a hash brown casserole. Everybody loves it, and there's very few leftovers, if any at all, and that's what I want to see. Hot sausage. Okay, I buy a lot of sausage. We love sausage. But one of these rolls is for my stuffing. I have promised Ronnie to make my hot sausage stuffing. It is super easy. I use 2 chicken stuffing mixes, Stouffer's, stuffing mixes. And I brown this, add it to it, and I bake it in the oven till it's nice and crispy on top because he does not like I don't want to say the gloppy, but you know what I'm talking about. Mushy like stuffing. He likes it kind of whole. And so that stuffing with this sausage, delicious. So I've got some more Italian sausage here in the mild and some hamburger meat. Tell me if you guys can tell what I'm going to have ready for when my parents come. Just see how smart you guys have been watching me for a long time. So Italian sausage, some hamburger, some spaghetti noodles. Just see if you guys can decipher that. We got some pork chops, bone in. Yes, indeed. 2 things of eggs. We have been eating a ton of eggs and spinach lately. And I love it. It really does tie me over for the long haul of a day, and I'm not hungry until about now, because I had it this morning and now I'm just like, I'm depleted. I'm totally depleted. I'm so hungry. We got some chicken nuggets. Love my chicken nuggets. And then I got some tater tots. I opted for the big bag because we love them. And I just thought I would tell you a little secret of something that I do with my tater tots. So if I buy a small bag, I only make half with like burgers or hot dogs or whatever it is that we're eating. And the other little half that I keep, I put it in a saucepan with a little bit of oil. It don't matter if it's olive oil or whatever, and just kind of fry them, and it works. And I put them in our breakfast burritos, and it's easy. You don't have to peel potatoes. You don't have to go through the trouble. Tater tots are the way to go. You can put it in anything. 2 things of bread. Okay, I'm a bread snob. This isn't probably the most expensive bread, but Ronnie's always like, you know, you don't have to buy the most expensive bread. But this bread, the first time I bought this, my parents, we had some real homegrown tomatoes, and I had a tomato sandwich on this bread. This was spectacular to me. It just tasted so good. When it comes to picking out bread, if they have this on hand, this is the one that I go for. So I got 2 loaves of it. These are the pizzas that we are eating today. This is the Rising Crust Pepperoni, great value brand. And I just want to point out, these are a little over $3, and they are just as good as your DiGiorno's and your, what do you call it, Fischettas. These are delicious. My parents didn't know that we already buy these, and my dad actually texted me and said, hey, we bought this kind of pizza, just letting you know. It was really good. It is very good. Okay. Got 0 sugar. This is the Peppermint Mocha Coffee Mate coffee creamer. I don't always buy coffee creamer, but every once in a while I'll flip and I will buy me 1 thing of coffee creamer. And usually I don't use it all, and I end up giving it away. Sometimes I bought the 0 sugar this time to try it because sometimes it gives me the jitters. And it's not the coffee, because when I drink black coffee, it doesn't bother me. But when I use that, the coffee bothers me. So a thing of buttermilk, because my husband loves to drink buttermilk, and I was treating him good today. Some walnuts, and finally found some glue sticks for the glue gun that my really dear friend brought me. And I can finally get on a craft that I've been wanting to make. But finding glue sticks has been an issue. They were completely out not very long ago, and I could not find them anywhere. Ronnie can't see the Christmas tree, but we're going to make sure that he can smell a Christmas tree. So this is Christmas tree wax melts. These were only $2. Smelled really, really good. My friend Kelly, if you're watching, thank you so much for those wax melts. They are just about gone. I don't have very many more left, but we have thoroughly enjoyed those. So thank you so much for that. Some peppermint bark coffee. If you guys have been following me a long time, you guys know that I buy this every single year. Usually it's in a red bag. This year is in a blue bag. They're trying to trick us up to keep us from buying it. Bought Ronnie some jalapeno cheddar dip. Never tried that before, but he loves things spicy. some sour cream. This is Great Value brand. 3 things of the Walmart brand spaghetti sauce. It's mushroom. This is my favorite go-to spaghetti sauce. I bought an extra because sometimes it's very hard to get your hands on. 2 things of the Black Forest ham. So I love a good sandwich. And in our eggs, we have been putting this turkey, the oven roasted turkey. It's very good. I bought a big box of it. It's very filling and it sticks with you all day. So I got was able to find these. I got the Reynolds slow cooker liners. I used up all the ones my mother bought me. I had bought some originally from somewhere and they were not big enough to fit my crock pot. They would not fit at all. And I told her, I think I bought the wrong size. She said, oh, I never have, and I just got these. And so she bought me some. I used them all up, and for the holidays, definitely going to have my liners. That way it's easier to clean. Got a couple baking pans. I'm going to make some pumpkin bread or maybe some banana bread. I do want to take something for my neighbor because he was a huge help this year on my yard. And I feel like I need to just say happy Thanksgiving, and give him a little something because he really did help a lot. We got some crunchy tacos. They did not have Great Value brand. I usually buy that, but today they have the old El Paso brand. Some celery, which is for my stuffing, but if I eat it all before Thanksgiving, I'll just have Dad take me and I'll buy some more. I love this at night with peanut butter. I cannot stay out of it. It is the perfect snack and I love it. Bananas, even though I'm the only one in the entire house that eats bananas, but that's that. Whole milk. Another thing of dip for Ronnie. This is the jalapeno con queso. Jalapeno queso, he'll love that. Some giant bag. These potatoes are bigger than my hand. And I thought, I'm getting that. I don't want to peel all day long for Thanksgiving. I don't. Okay, you guys know I suffer from being anemic, and I'm going to try these. A lot of the iron pills kind of make me sick. I'm going to try these. They are slow release pills. It was a little bit pricey, but it's definitely, when you got low iron, you definitely can tell it. That was one of the reasons why I had the kind of surgery I had back in September. And let me tell you, you do not want to go with your iron level not right. So I'm going to try those. I also got some B12, hoping to boost my energy up. And I got some D3, and I'm going to be taking those. So I didn't get great big bottles, so we'll see how that works out for me. And like I said, in this group of groceries, there is one Christmas gift that I cannot show you, but it's because the person that, is receiving it will be watching this. Okay, I see where I forgot one gift. Well, not gift. Why am I saying gift? One thing. I bought me a stomper. So if you watch Do It on a Dime, she talked about these and she kept calling it a stomper. And I suppose there must be a stomper brand. So if you are looking for this because you watched her video, this is a thing where all you have to do is step on that red button right there and it'll turn your Christmas tree on. And where my Christmas tree is, I don't want to have to get under there every time I want to, I don't want to get underneath there every time I want to turn a tree on. So I bought this. I thought, you know what, for that price, I'm going to get a few years out of it. And this is the brand it was. They did not have the thing called the Stomper. I'm not sure. She said she got it at Walmart, but I'm not sure. And I'm not going to say anything out loud, but this is one of Ronnie's Christmas gifts. It's going with something else that my parents are purchasing him, so we cannot say it out loud. But this, it wasn't real expensive. He just needs it for something, and it's perfect. I'm going to wrap it, put it under the tree with his name on it, and he's going to be happy camper. So that is all that I bought. I can smell my pizza. It smells so good. I can't wait to eat, but I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Have a wonderful, blessed Monday when you watch this. and you will be seeing me again, I promise. Vlogmas starts December 1st. So if I become a little absent here towards the end of November, don't worry, I'm with family, everything is good. But when December 1st comes, stay tuned for Vlogmas, because we are going to vlog every day of December for you guys, at least up to Christmas. I love doing it every year. I look forward to it. And I know some of you guys have even written me saying how excited you are about it. So yes, we're going to do it. We're going to get it down. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'm going to be quiet because I'm starving. I'm going to get this stuff put away. And you know what? If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, because you know what? Vlogmas is about to happen. And then we're going to have a lot of fun over here on this channel. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Show me some love. And toodaloodles.